All right, last one for this section. In cell C13, so we're going to go ABC down to 13. We're going to use the sum function. We're going to do equals sum, and we are going to the total scores for Stuart, and then we're using this to copy that through D through K. Check your work. Looks good. Keep working in C14. We are using the arithmetic operators to find Stuart's percentage grade by dividing C13 by 100. So we're going to do equals this. Oh, I hate when it does that. Equals that divided by 100. All right, and then we're going to use this to drag it across. Check your answers. Looks good so far. So that'll take us to number 3 in L5, which is up here. We're going to use average function. So we're going to do equals average. We're going to average score for homework 1.1. So we're going to drag that across, hit enter. And in M5, we're going to do the median equals median for the same one. And then N5, we're going to do the min. Same thing, we're going to come across like that. And then max. Same thing, come across, hit enter. And then use the fill handle to copy this formulas down to the bottom. So we're going to do the first L5 to O5. Let's do this. It says the L5 to O5 to the bottom of the shaded area. Check your answers. 9 out of 9. All right, I'm going to go back and just show you. I went across and it pulled all the formulas down. So that's it. Good luck.